Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on receipt voucher in Tally. To record all receipts into cash or bank account is the purpose of receipt voucher. Receipts are classified into two: cash receipt and bank receipt. Cash receipt are the transaction which received through cash, whereas bank transaction received through check, DD or online transfer like RTGS, NEFT, etc. Now let's enter two transactions into receipt voucher. One is in single entry mode and another one is in double entry mode. Let's start. From the gateway of Tally, go to accounting voucher. Press F6 or click on receipt button on the right button panel. Now we are in receipt voucher. The first transaction is cash received from Asia Pacific rupees 15,000. Before entering it into Tally, let's journalize this transaction. Cash account data to Asia Pacific. Debit cash as it is coming into the business. Credit Asia Pacific as they are the giver. Now I am going to enter the transaction into double entry mode. The current voucher is in single entry mode. To change this to double entry mode, press F12 or click on configuration button. In the configuration screen, go to use single entry mode for payment receipt contra, make this to no, and save the screen by pressing enter, or you can use Ctrl A. The current screen is in double entry mode. Now change the date by pressing F2 or click on date button on the right button panel. Enter the credit as aspect of transaction just after 2. 2 is the symbol of credit. Here Asia Pacific is the credit aspect, and amount and the debit aspect here just after BY. Press enter. Write narration here. Enter to save the screen. Some people are confused with the to and by, the debit and credit symbol, and they want it in DRCR instead. In such case, we can change this. Press N or click on no to come back to edit receipt voucher. Now press F12 and locate use DRCR CRDR instead of TOBY during entry. Make this clear and save the screen. Now we can use DRCR instead of to by. Credit is Asia Pacific and debit is cash. Press enter and save the screen. So that's all for double entry receipt voucher. Now let's enter the transaction. Amount transferred through NEFT rupees 50,000 by Ambuja Cement to our SBI account number 651 in single entry mode. To change the voucher mode to single entry, press F12 again and locate single entry mode for payment receipt contra, make this to yes and save the screen. So this is the single entry receipt voucher. The next step is to journalize the transaction. The journal entry will be SBI account number 651 data to Ambuja Cement rupees 50,000 each. Debit bank as bank balance increases and Ambuja Cement is the giver, so credit Ambuja Cement. In single entry receipt voucher, debit should be always here just after account. So here debit is SBI account number 651. Now the credit aspect Ambuja Cement. Type the amount here. Press enter. Now we are in bank allocation for SBI account number 651. The first field is received from Ambuja Cement. The name populated automatically. The transaction type, here it is interbank transfer. Ambuja Cement transferred amount from ICICI Bank, and the next amount field rupees 50,000. instrument number or any reference number if any, right here, and the instrument date if any, brand name ICICI, then branch convert, type narration, press enter and save the screen. That's all about receipt voucher in Tally. Thanks for watching.